Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking to you coaches. What are some of the best WordPress plugin or other solutions for you, the coach, looking to build a website or a training course online? I'll be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back, folks. So this is a pretty large subject. I might do more than one video here. In this video, I'm just going to go over the basics of what you've got to know if you're a coach and you're looking to build additional income, additional offerings through a website. Either if you've got an existing website or you're looking to build one from scratch. Now, number one choice you got, are you going to go WordPress or are you going to go SaaS? And what I mean SaaS, all-in-one solutions like Squarespace or Wix, or you're going to go the WordPress route. I'm going to concentrate in this video about if you've decided to go the WordPress route, because honestly, I'm biased and I admit it, but I also feel it's the best solution. It's the most flexible. It's the most cost effective, especially if you're trying to build a brand, a presence through your coaching solutions online. Number two, are you going to be offering membership and training as part of your coaching? This is a great way of getting regular income. There's only so many hours that you can sell through your coaching. Obviously, you can increase the price of the one-to-one coaching, but combining it with community and membership and online courses are all great ways of offering income where you don't have to be the one-to-one relationship, which is normally part of coaching, but you can still combine it into a very effective business model. Now, another subset of choices, are you going to utilize in WordPress what is called a learning management system, or are you going to utilize a plugin, a membership plugin? This always causes a bit of confusion. The way I break it up, if you're going to be if you really think that you're going to be building multiple courses on your website, and you might be also combining it with a real community platform, which you can do with BuddyBoss. That's going to be a totally separate video, but you got the insight that you're going to really build this out, and it's going to be a real core part of your coaching business and of your business model in its totality. I would suggest that you would be better off looking at a learning management system. The good news on WordPress is there's half a dozen. At WP Tonic, we really work with three of the best solutions. That is LifterLMS, LearnDash, and BuddyBoss. They're the three that we really work. There are others as well. If you're just looking, if you really think you're just going to be building one simple course, probably a learning management system is probably a little bit OTT. You'll probably be better looking at a membership plugin. And I'm looking down because I've just forgot which one I was going to recommend to you. There's two on the market. There was the leader, which is MemberPress. I would not anymore recommend that to you. The reason is they've changed their business structure, and they've done some things that I consider to be a bit iffy when it comes to, basically what they did is, if you stop paying for your MemberPress plugin, you're locked out from the back end of the plugin. You can no longer actually log into the back end of the plugin. And because it's a membership plugin, you need to log in to see who has signed up. It will still allow people to sign up, but you won't be able to log in and see who has logged in. This really breaks all the kind of traditions that has built up in the WordPress community, and it's very controversial. So I can no longer, in all honesty, recommend MemberPress. The one I would recommend is Paid Membership Pro. That's what I would recommend. We have used it with clients. It's a great team. It offers just similar functionality to MemberPress. It's been around a number of years, and like I say, it's a quality product. If you think you're only going to do one course, I would send you there. All the links and everything I'm going to be discussing in this video is going to be in a great post I've done on this, and the link will be in the supporting notes of this video. Look under. So that's the choice. Are you going to go with a learning management system, or are you going to go with a membership plugin? Another choice you could have is, are you going to utilize just the inbuilt course purchasing functionality that's part of LifterLMS and LearnDash, or are you wanting to sell physical products, courses, books? Are there a spread of different offerings, or have you got plans that might include physical and digital goods? If that might be the case, you'll probably be looking to add WooCommerce to this solution. And don't worry, you're just going to be utilizing WooCommerce as a purchasing engine. It will mean that you will have to buy one add-on, and that's WooCommerce subscription. It enables you to link a course into WooCommerce and for WooCommerce to see that course as a product. That's the only add-on you would have to buy. And the only other thing I would recommend is that, so you have just a one-page modern checkout environment. There's two other plugins that you might consider. That's Cart Flows or Launch Flows. Both are really great. We oscillate at WP Engine between Cart Flows and Launch Flows, but probably at the present moment we go with Launch Flows. It's more stable. Cart Flows we've found has been a little bit buggy, but that alternates. But Launch Flows is a great product. So there are some of the choices you've got. Like I say, I'm probably going to be doing a couple other videos on this. If this video has been really helpful, please, if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll reply to any questions put there. If you found it useful, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel, and give me a thumbs up. If you also got any other questions, you can also go to the WP Tonic website and you can book a free consultation with me, and I'll be more than happy to go and try and answer any questions that you might have. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.